three presentations lined up in this first morning session, and I hope that you will find the presentations both insightful and thought-provoking. When I ask you, please talk a little bit about the dependent variables, because in our research, quantitative research, the dependent variables, the key variables of the paper, you need to discuss in detail about the three variables you use for financial performance. Here, the first one, public information. What is it? So why public information can be proxy for financial performance? I don't understand it, because for me, public information, how to measure this one in your paper? Yeah.
As you know, we have a lot of companies in Vietnam, and we just public report about ESG, and we had approach policies related to the green project, and we had support the government in our banking, because it's the bank can see the companies on the way to a green project, and we have to invest or to borrow the investor the project, because
so what is public information here?
A report
on ESG.
Yeah.
So that is a ESG disclosure, right?
Yeah.
So imagine that in your study you have two key variables. One is ESG exposure, disclosure, and the other one is financial performance. You want to see the impact of ESG disclosure on financial performance, but you put the ESG disclosure in the outcome, in this side. Which one in this side? The first one. What is the first one? That one, yeah.
It's measure the effectively to act ESG in the company.
What?
Effect.
What effect?
Nó giống kiểu là cái
No, in English, please.
Like high.
In the you have next slide. Can you go to next slide? Yes. What is
The level just in the company's effective.
the level of just in the company's effective implementing? So which one is the ESG disclosure? So that should be in the you have the value. Sorry, I'm discussing, so I have the right to do anything I want. Financial performance. And I'm the chairman.
Yes.
So here should be the public information. And here should be several proxy for the financial performance. So in your analytical framework, you put the public information on the wrong side, I think.
Yeah, I understand.
Yeah. See, profit on the income or something belong to the control variables.
Yeah.
And so the model should be like this.
Yeah. And it's used in public information. And we need to.
Yeah. And you know, for financial performance, you have several different variable possible return on assets. The ROA, ROE, different things, and you have access to financial. So you can have different things here. So let me show you, because you can go deeper in the way that you analyze possible here. You can write several equations right from here. You have I call this one the ESG. Right? This is first equation. Second equation, financial access. Possible. The third equation, something else. These three risks. So basically, you have three equations, and you know, in the model like this one, the biggest problem should be the endogeneity. This problem, something in the error term influence the ESG disclosure and also influence the financial performance. So you call it endogeneity. And one way to address, to overcome the endogeneity is you run the simultaneous equation, because you have three equations here. You can run the simultaneous equation model like this one. So I'm thinking in this one you can run the multivariate profit model or some other model. It depends on the dependent variables. If the dependent variable is the dummy variable, you can use a multivariate. So that's the key in your study. Can you go to the result? Here. It's okay. But it's okay. So like that. So I think that you make some adjustment in, because I believe that this paper is like an ongoing work, like a working paper. You just finish your data collection, do the first analysis, but you know, a research process may take a little bit long, and then you need to go back and do again with some data analysis, and at the end you have a good paper. So that is a long process. We understand that one, right?
Yeah,